Looking to power up leg day from the comfort of your home? We've rounded up the top 5 best leg press machines that combine strength, stability, and smart design. Whether you're chasing muscle gains or building lower body endurance, these picks offer unmatched performance for every fitness level. Let's dive in. Number 1. Mikolo 45-degree leg press for home gym. The Mikolo LP05 45-degree leg press is a standout addition to any home gym, delivering unrivaled quality and functionality. Constructed with heavy-duty, high-tensile 11-gauge steel and high-density foam padding, its precision-welded frame ensures long-lasting durability, backed by an 8-month frame warranty. Compact and efficient, it saves nearly 20% more space than traditional models without sacrificing performance. At 6.2 feet tall, users of various heights will find comfort in the 4-position adjustable backrest. Engineered for results, the LP05 targets quads, glutes, hamstrings, hips, and calves with ultra-smooth travel and multi-adjustable settings, reducing ankle strain. It also features an enhanced resistance system with 4 additional resistance band pegs and 8 adjustable holes, along with 4 weight loading posts for serious strength training. Integrated plate storage maximizes your workout space. Safety is paramount. Start your session with a rotational handle safety lock and choose from 3 leg press starting heights. An 8-position safety limiter provides added peace of mind. For athletes focused on power and safety, the Mikolo LP05 delivers unmatched performance. Number 2. Feierdun Leg Press Hack Squat Machine. The Feierdun Leg Press Hack Squat Machine is a versatile 3-in-1 powerhouse built for serious lower body training at home. Combining hack squats, leg presses, and calf raises, it lets you safely develop leg strength while easing back strain common in traditional squats. The machine also supports unilateral training, giving you full control over muscle balance. Constructed with heavy-duty steel in a stable 45 degrees triangle design, it supports up to 1,800 pounds and features 5 safety stops with spring cushioning for enhanced protection. Transitioning between squat and leg press takes just 30 seconds, and with 12 adjustable positions, 7 leg press, 5 squat, it accommodates users from 5 foot to 6 feet 3 inches. The extra-wide, thickly padded surfaces ensure comfort during every rep. Despite its power, the Feierdun machine is compact, needing just 23 square feet of space. A T-shaped base maximizes stability, and dual-weight storage bars keep your gym tidy. Delivered in 3-track packages, it includes detailed instructions, a video guide, and tools for easy assembly. Backed by Feierdun's responsive customer service, it's built to impress and last. Number 3. Gelans Leg Press Hack Squat Machine. The Gelans Leg Press Hack Squat Machine is a 2-in-1 powerhouse built for both performance and safety in your home gym. Crafted from 50 by 70 mm square steel, it supports up to 1,100 pounds, ensuring durability and confidence with every workout. Its 3-position safety lock system and rotating safety handle offer customizable and secure starting points based on your height. Designed with a triangular stabilizing structure and a rear weight plate storage rack, this machine maintains a steady center of gravity, delivering unmatched stability and robustness. The use of a linear bearing system ensures smooth, jam-free motion, enhancing your lifting experience. Premium, anti-slip shoulder and back padding wrapped in durable leather provides long-term comfort and support during intense sets. With 5 hack squat angles and 3 leg press settings, the machine adapts to various body types and training needs. Aluminum alloy grips and dual-bottom cushioning pads add control and reduce noise and impact. Shipped in 2 boxes and backed by a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer service, the Gelans machine is a smart, long-lasting investment in lower body strength. Number 4. Synergy Leg Press Machine for Home Gym. The Synergy Leg Press Machine is a powerful, space-saving solution for home gym enthusiasts aiming to level up lower body strength. With a 400 pounds weight capacity, it's perfect for smashing through squat and deadlift plateaus by targeting your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Built for performance, this machine challenges you to push harder and lift heavier. But Synergy doesn't stop at leg day. Featuring a versatile pulley system, it easily transforms into a lat pull-down station, letting you get a full body workout in one compact machine. It even comes equipped with a lat bar and pulley hardware, making upper body training a breeze. Designed for convenience, it accommodates both 1-inch and 2 weight plates, making it compatible with a wide variety of home gym setups. The machine features a padded 10-inch by 12-inch seat and 24-inch by 12-inch backrest for comfort, and sits on a 68-inch by 24-inch base, standing 63-inch tall. Synergy backs it all with responsive customer service and a satisfaction guarantee. With this all-in-one leg press, strength and versatility are just a rep away. Number 5. STMOM Leg Press Machine with Calf Block. The STMOM Leg Press Machine with Calf Block brings unmatched quality and versatility to your home gym. Engineered with a triangular support structure and a diamond-plated footplate, it ensures ultimate stability and grip during intense workouts. Built to handle up to 2,000 pounds, this machine is perfect for heavy lifters seeking durability and performance. What sets STMOM apart is its integrated calf block, offering deeper foot positioning for targeted calf raises and seated calf presses. The detachable design allows you to easily remove the calf block, giving you the flexibility to switch up your training focus without interruption. With 3 starting height gears and 4 safety track levels, you can tailor your setup to your body type and comfort. Whether you're training quads, glutes, hamstrings, or calves, this machine delivers smooth, joint-friendly movement every rep. Shipped in 2 secure packages, STMOM ensures safe transit and quick assembly. For serious leg day gains with customizable features and rock-solid construction, this leg press is a top-tier addition to any home gym setup.